In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur part of an image in Procreate. So I'm going to show you two different methods of how we can do this. I'm going to show you how you can blur the entire image and also how you can blur a specific part of an image. So if you just wanted to go and blur the entire image, then we would just need to click on the adjustments tool in the top navigation. And from here, we can select Gaussian Blur. And in order to increase the intensity of this blur, we just need to swipe over to the right-hand side. And then to decrease the intensity, we can swipe back over to the left. And once you're happy with your changes, you can just click back on the adjustments tool, and that's how to blur an entire image. Now, if you wanted to blur a specific part of this image, then we can do that as well just by using the selection tool. So I'm going to click on the selection tool in the top navigation, make sure we have freehand selected down here, and then we can just go and draw the selection to where we want to apply this blur to. So let's say we wanted to blur out one of these faces. I could just draw a circle, make sure the 2 points on the circle connect with each other, and then we can click back on this adjustments tool and once again click on Gaussian Blur. And now, just like before, we can swipe over to the right hand side to increase the intensity of this blur, and if you want to decrease the intensity, swipe back over to the left. And once you're finished, we can click on the adjustments and also the selection tool. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.